Okay, let's get started with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Make sure you answer in 5 to 6 sentences, okay? Did you use coins as a child?
Yes, when I was a child, I used coins a lot. I loved having coins. I enjoyed the sounds they made. I used to use coins especially to buy some snacks.
All right. Do you use coins in your daily life now?
Yes, I use coins regularly in my daily life for small purchases such as buying snacks or taking public transport.
Okay. Is it convenient to use coins?
Yes, I find them very convenient because they are easy to carry and useful for minimal exchange, and there is no need of big space to carry them. That's why I use coins daily.
All right. Have you ever collected coins?
Yes, I have been collecting coins since my childhood. It is one of my favorite hobbies. I have variety of coins belong from different countries and eras, such as I own coins from Kuwait, Malaysia, and Saudi Arabia, and even some from as far as back like 1995 and 1975.
All right. Instead of belonging, you see some coins from other countries. Okay?
Okay.
One last question. Do you often carry coins with you when you go for shopping?
Yes, I always carry coins with me because sometimes using paper notes is not practical, especially for minimal exchange. So that's why I always carry coins with me. Also, sometime other person do not have much change, so they ask me for coins. That's why coins comes in handy.
Okay, coins come in handy, not comes. Such type of minor mistakes are there. Try to overcome those. Otherwise, you're speaking clearly, you're speaking fluently, so keep it up.
Okay.
Now, it's your turn, please. Do you want to be a teacher in the future? Okay. Yes.
Actually, I've always been passionate about inspiring other and sharing knowledge with other. While I don't have a immediate plan to be a teacher in future. My current focus is on my chosen field.
On my chosen field. Okay. So to answer your question, I would not like to become a teacher in the future. Let's go on. Do you have a teacher from your past that you still remember?
Yes, I still remember my high school English teacher. She was an exceptional teacher, and she encouraged me.
Encouraged me?
Encouraged me. She encouraged me. She encouraged creative writing, critical thinking. That helped me a lot to grow and develop my skills.
Are you still in contact with some of your school teachers?
Unfortunately, I have lost the contact with. I have lost the touch with my teacher, and because of moving from one city to another, and that is why. However, I still cherish the memories and lesson learned from them.
Okay. In what way have your favorite teacher helped you?
My favorite teacher helped me significantly throughout my academics and personal skill. Beyond academics, she played a great role in developing my confidence.
Okay, the question is, in what way has your favorite teacher helped you? Okay, do you have a favorite teacher now?
I wouldn't say I have had many good teachers throughout my academic career, and I wouldn't say the single favorite one, because all the teach us many unique qualities.
Okay, all the teachers taught me with their unique qualities
and lesson, and which helped me a lot throughout my career.
All right. Overall good. Conclude your answer and focus more on the question and connect your answer with the question, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.